Why do you think you feel bad the day after drinking alcohol?
Because it dehydrates you. I think anytime I personally get dehydrated with playing sports, it's just I feel run down.
So why do you think alcohol is bad for your liver then?
It's a great question. I mean, there's a bunch of toxins in here, right? So I think it's poisoning your body.
So is it poisoning your body or dehydrating you?
Can I do both?
Why do you think alcohol makes you feel good?
I think it just loosens you up. It, just lets you relax, put your guard down a little bit.
Like what's going on? How does it make you feel that way? Because it's dehydrating?
No, but there's a lot of science I don't understand.
Do you think it affects your brain?
Absolutely.
The day after drinking alcohol, do you ever kind of feel sad, irritated, stressed?
Yeah, the hang.
So do you think that comes from dehydration?
A little bit.
So whenever you get dehydrated from sports, the next day you feel stressed?
No, not at all.
It's different, right?
It's different. It's very different.
So now we've established it could be because it's toxic, dehydrating, and affects your brain in some way.
Correct.
When you drink alcohol is like only a little bit toxic. In the human body, alcohol converts into something called acetaldehyde. And acetaldehyde is 20 times more toxic than alcohol itself. So you may want the alcohol because that makes your brain feel good, but you don't want the acetaldehyde because that's what's hard on your liver, and the main reasons alcohol is bad for you long term. Your body typically uses an enzyme called ALDH to break down acetaldehyde into acetate, which is basically just non-toxic vinegar, and then you pee it out. Problem is you only break down about 1 drink's worth of acetaldehyde per hour. So if you have more than 1 of these per hour, then guess what? You're gonna have a toxic buildup of acetaldehyde. This right here is called Cheers Restore. It's an after alcohol aid, and you just take 3 capsules with or as close to your last alcoholic beverage or before going to bed as possible. And it has an amino acid in it called L-cysteine. And in the presence of acetaldehyde, L-cysteine will actually bind to acetaldehyde and form a non-toxic compound called MTCA, allowing you to clear acetaldehyde faster. It's also got a flavonoid in there called DHM. DHM will speed up ALDH activity, allowing you to clear acetaldehyde through your body's typical acetaldehyde clearance pathway. Anyways, you'll feel better. Your liver appreciates you for it because you've helped it do its job. And then when it comes to your brain, have you ever noticed that alcohol ruins your sleep?
100%. It did last night. I sleep really hot, and I'm usually waking up about every hour or so.
Alcohol is a depressant, right? So alcohol binds to a receptor on your brain called GABA, and that makes you feel relaxed, carefree, and generally good. And while your BAC is going up, alcohol has a depressant effect. Problem is that what goes up must come down, and so when alcohol leaves your bloodstream, it actually has an opposite effect, and you feel irritated, stressed, and generally bad. So what happens is if you have alcohol right before bed, you fall asleep faster. Problem is the alcohol starts wearing off, and then it starts waking you up. It prevents you from getting in deep sleep.
I wear a Whoop, and it's every time I have more than like 3 or 4 drinks in a night, it's my recovery's awful.
DHM will actually bind to the same brain receptor that alcohol binds to. It'll actually satiate that receptor and buffer that rebound. DHM should improve your sleep.
I'm going to try it tonight.
How much would you pay to feel like you had half as many drinks the next morning when you wake up?
I would say at least $50.
That product right there, that's our 1 dose. You can find that at 7-Eleven, Circle K, about 15,000 convenience stores. How much do you think that 1 dose is?
Probably $6.
$4.99.
That's incredible.
And then this right here is our value pack, which you can get on our page, you can get on TikTok Shop, and you can get on that website run by Jeff Bezos.
It's awesome. Grab some tonight. If I ever run out, I'll know I can get some before I go out that night.
Alrighty, cheers.
Cheers.